Well, here's a PSU stock which has given 150% return since November. So in the last 2 months, the stock has been a buzz. It's ITI Limited. Now, what's happening here? Let me first start off by telling you what ITI does. It specializes in manufacturing and marketing of telecommunication products. Now, the stock itself has clocked around 220 rupees a share sometime in November of 2024, after which it's just taken off. It hit 490 rupees, did very well, in fact was locked in upper circuit yesterday and has given a 1 year return of 62%. In terms of what the company is, 90% of the company is owned by the government of India, and therefore the free float on the company is very, very small. Therefore, any kind of volume that you will see on the counter will lead to a spike in the stock price, which is likely one of the reasons why the stock has been spiking. The other reason is that today we saw a bit of a correction in the counter, and I'll give you the other development that's happened. So exchanges asked ITI Limited for an explanation as to why the stock has been buzzing so much. ITI Limited came out and suggested that no price sensitive information has been withheld. There has been no fresh information which has come through, and this is purely market forces, after which we saw a 10% correction on the counter today. So that's all of it playing out. In terms of the free float itself, it's quite small. It's less than 10%, and that's why, as I suggested, any kind of volume action on the stock could well make huge changes with regard to how the counter reacts. That's exactly what's playing out likely. Now, mind you, it's a loss-making company. It's a PSU company in a high-growth sector. It's also won orders of 3,300 odd crore in the last 3 to 4 months. And while its top line is sub 2,500 crore, and therefore these orders are chunky, but nonetheless, just given the way in which the operating metrics of the company line up and its profitability, which is quite weak, it's actually a loss-making company, as I did suggest. This spike, not sure how warranted. Maybe time to be a bit careful.